Welcome to your Renati OS device. This tutorial shows you how to set up the auto restart on inactivity feature. It puts the device into BFU mode, which stands for Before First Unlock. First, go to Settings, then scroll down to find Security. Go to Auto Reset and select your interval. After your device has been inactive for the chosen amount of time, it'll reset. The BFU state refers to a mobile device being powered off or restarted, but not yet unlocked by the user. During this mode, certain data and many of the device's partitions remain encrypted, limiting access to sensitive files and information. Renati is forensically validated to protect against physical extraction, meaning that exploit methods used while in BFU and AFU modes didn't work. Even when supplied the password, only system files and carrier ID information were accessed. No user-generated data was able to be extracted, which proved Renati's advanced defenses against counter-espionage and surveillance tools. The device will now stay in BFU mode until you unlock it. Follow us for more tips to make the most of your secure, trusted companion, Renati.